How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And does NordVPN work with Netflix? Now, NordVPN is actually one of the better VPNs when it comes to unblocking Netflix. It's super consistent and reliable. And the cool thing about NordVPN is that when you find out that a specific server works really well for you, let's say you're connecting to Netflix US, you're trying to unblock it. All you need to do is, let's say a specific server works for you, you can memorize the number of that server. Let's say 8440, you can just 8440, look up the number and the server will come up right away. You can look up all these servers individually, all 5,400 plus servers and the 60 countries that they're in. So that's a really nice feature, because in other VPNs, if one location doesn't work, you're going to have to switch locations to make it work, right? So that's how you can maybe try other regions. But with NordVPN, or other states for that matter, if you're trying to unblock Netflix US, or maybe disconnect from the server and connect again. But with NordVPN, let's say if I just connect to New York by selecting the server right here or the location, if one server doesn't work, I can just go to the New York list right here and pick one of these servers, another server that is also in New York, instead of choosing an entirely different region, right? So that's a really nice feature. Now, because YouTube doesn't really like it when I show the actual process of unblocking Netflix using a VPN, because it's against the terms of service, I won't be able to show you, but you can be sure that NordVPN is one of the most reliable VPNs with Netflix. And in the unlikely event that you're not satisfied with the service for whatever reason, you can simply hit up the live chat support available right here and ask for a refund, because you do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and they'll refund you your money back to you within 3 to 5 business days. It's super easy, and I've tried it before. It really works. So if you guys are interested in NordVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, so feel free to take advantage of that while it lasts. Besides that, you'll find a full review that'll give you a more in-depth look into the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. All right, so comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.